Welcome Prince Institute Legal Matter Latest. Best for skill test in SSCs and courts. Ready? Start. State finances are in a semblance. Every single state without exception, though the degree may vary. The COVID 19 induced lockdown has dealt state finances a triple whammy. Their own revenue sources, mainly from liquor sales, stamp duty from property transactions, and sales tax on petroleum products that account for half their total revenues, have collapsed, and their expenditures such as on interest payments, social sector schemes, and staff salaries remains unchanged. Worse, they are now called upon to spend more on benefit up their health infrastructure and on COVID 19 measures, including testing, treatment, and quarantining. So, it is not surprising that all of them, including the gold standard ones such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka, are now pleading for funding support from the center and relaxation in borrowing rules by the RBI. And the center has been watching silently, even as some states have gone ahead and cut salaries of their employees and pension benefits to rein in expenses. It could be argued that by seeking consecutive extensions of the lockdown, which imposes tremendous strain on not just their finances but also that of the center, the states are wrong in their approach. Are they taking the easy option by seeking extensions and simultaneously demanding financial support from the center? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Maharashtra, in their desperation, commenced liquor sales with outlets flouting all physical distancing norms. The fear is that this could seed fresh infections. The center is itself not in a happy place financially, but it is at least has the means to replenish its finances through conventional and unconventional means. For instance, it appropriated almost all of the benefit of falling oil prices through increase in duties rupees 13 a liter on petroleum and rupees 16 a liter on diesel in two tranches in March and again last week. It recently announced an increase in its borrowing by half for their fiscal. The burden is on the center to find the resources to immediately release the dues of the states and also reimburse them for their COVID 19 related expenses. It should seriously consider relaxing the fiscal deficit levels of the states from the current 3% level to at least 4.5%, just as it should relax its own level too. The state should at least to be able to borrow more. The center should also give states the freedom to restart economic activity based on their own assessment. Not all states are in the same virus spread position, and within each state, not all districts are the same. This has to be acknowledged while planning a phased lifting of the lockdown. Greater levy in restarting economic activity will relieve some of the financial stress not just on the states but also on the center. Stop.